everyone! When it comes to saving for retirement, time is on your side, and with the power of compound interest, your savings can grow exponentially over the long term. But what is compound interest exactly? And how can you leverage it to supercharge your retirement savings? In this video, we'll explore the concept of compound interest and its impact on your savings, as well as provide examples and calculations to showcase the potential growth of investments over time. By understanding how to maximize the benefits of compound interest, you can make the most of your retirement savings and build a more secure financial future. On this channel, I will discuss the power of compound interest. Stay tuned, and thank you. Understanding compound interest. Compound interest is a crucial concept in investing and saving, particularly when it comes to retirement planning. In simple terms, compound interest refers to the process by which interest is earned on both the principal amount of an investment as well as the interest already earned. In other words, it's interest on top of interest, and it can have a significant impact on the growth of your savings over time. To understand the power of compound interest, consider the following example. Let's say you invest $10,000 in a retirement account that earns an average annual return of 7% over 30 years. With simple interest, your investment would grow to $22,000 over that period. However, with compound interest, your investment would grow to over $76,000, more than triple the amount you would earn with simple interest. This is because with compound interest, your returns compound over time and your investment grows exponentially. Understanding compound interest is important because it shows how time can be your greatest ally in investing and saving. The earlier you start investing and saving for retirement, the more time your investments have to grow thanks to the power of compound interest. Even small contributions made consistently over time can add up to significant savings due to the compounding effect of interest. Overall, understanding compound interest is key to making informed decisions about retirement planning and long-term investments. By recognizing the power of compounding, you can set yourself up for a secure financial future by starting to save and invest early and consistently. The power of time in investing time is one of the most critical components of investing, and it plays a crucial role in the growth of your retirement savings. When it comes to long-term investments, the power of compounding can result in a significant increase in wealth accumulation. This concept of compound interest is based on the reinvestment of earnings, which can ultimately lead to exponential growth. Let's consider an example. If you invested $10,000 at an annual rate of 8%, your initial investment would grow to $21,589 in 10 years. However, if you left the investment to grow for another 10 years, your savings would compound, resulting in a total of $46,609. The same investment, left untouched for an additional 10 years, would be worth $100,626. As you can see, the power of time can be incredibly impactful in the world of investing. The key takeaway here is that the longer you allow your investments to grow, the greater your returns will be. That's why it's important to start investing as early as possible and to be consistent in contributing to your retirement savings. Even small contributions made over time can have a significant impact in the long run. Additionally, it's important to keep in mind that time is your ally when it comes to managing investment risk. Over the long term, investments tend to have ups and downs, but with a sufficient time horizon, the market volatility can smooth out, allowing your investments to grow steadily. Examples and calculations. To truly understand the power of compound interest, let's look at some examples and calculations. Let's say you invest $10,000 in a retirement account with a 6% annual interest rate and contribute an additional $500 per month. In 30 years, your initial investment of $10,000 would grow to over $400,000. This is the magic of compound interest. Your money grows exponentially over time. Now, let's say you wait 10 years to start saving for retirement and invest the same $10,000 with the same 6% interest rate and $500 monthly contributions. In 20 years, your account balance would only be around $200,000. This shows the importance of starting early when it comes to retirement savings. Another example is the impact of fees on your investment returns. Let's say you invest $50,000 in a mutual fund with a 1% annual fee and a 7% average annual return. After 30 years, your investment would be worth approximately $272,000. However, if you've invested the same amount with a lower fee of 0.25%, your investment would be worth over $354,000, a difference of almost $82,000. This highlights the importance of minimizing investment fees to maximize your returns. These examples and calculations show the power of compound interest and how it can make a significant impact on your retirement savings. It's important to start saving early, contribute consistently, and minimize fees to take advantage of this powerful concept. Maximizing retirement account contributions. When it comes to retirement savings, the more you contribute, the more you'll have when you're ready to retire. If you're serious about supercharging your retirement savings, maximizing your retirement account contributions should be a top priority. Here are some tips for maximizing your contributions to retirement accounts. 1. Take advantage of employer matches. Many employers offer matching contributions to retirement accounts, which means they'll contribute money to your account as long as you're contributing a certain amount. Make sure you're contributing enough to get the full match. It's essentially free money. 2. Max out your contributions. Each year, the IRS sets contribution limits for retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Make it a goal to contribute the maximum amount allowed each year to maximize your retirement savings potential. 3. Make catch-up contributions. If you're over 50, you're allowed to make catch-up contributions to your retirement accounts in addition to the regular contribution limit. This can help you make up for any lost time and accelerate your retirement savings. 4. Automate your contributions. Set up automatic contributions to your retirement account so you don't have to think about it each month. This can also help you avoid the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. Remember, the earlier you start contributing to retirement accounts and the more you contribute, the more you'll have when you're ready to retire. Make it a priority and maximize your retirement account contributions to supercharge your savings and secure a comfortable retirement. Diversifying your investments. Investing can be risky. There are ways to mitigate those risks. One of the most effective ways to reduce risk is to diversify your investments. By diversifying, you spread your money across a variety of asset classes, which helps to ensure that your portfolio can withstand market fluctuations. Here are some tips to help you diversify your investments. 1. Invest in different asset classes. One way to diversify your investments is to spread them across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Each asset class has its own unique risks and rewards, and by investing in different ones, you can minimize your exposure to any one type of risk. 2. Spread your investments across different sectors. Even within a particular asset class, it's important to diversify your investments across different sectors. For example, if you invest in stocks, you should spread your money across different sectors such as technology, healthcare, and finance. This helps to ensure that if one sector experiences a downturn, you still have investments in other sectors that may perform better. 3. Invest in different geographic regions. Investing in different geographic regions is another way to diversify your portfolio. For example, you might consider investing in stocks or bonds from different countries or regions such as Asia, Europe, or Latin America. This can help to spread your investments across different economies and political systems. 4. Consider alternative investments. Alternative investments such as commodities, hedge funds, and private equity can also help to diversify your portfolio. These types of investments may offer different risks and rewards compared to traditional asset classes like stocks and bonds. By diversifying your investments, you can reduce your exposure to risk and potentially increase your returns over the long term. However, keep in mind that diversification does not guarantee profits or protect against losses, and you should always do your research before making any investment decisions. Leveraging tax-advantaged retirement accounts. One of the best ways to supercharge your retirement savings is by taking advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts. These accounts allow you to save for retirement while minimizing your tax burden, which can help you grow your investments faster and accumulate more wealth over time. The most popular tax-advantaged retirement accounts include 401ks, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. Each of these accounts offers different tax benefits and contribution limits, so it's important to understand how they work and which ones are best suited for your individual needs. 401ks are employer-sponsored retirement plans that allow you to contribute a portion of your salary on a pre-tax basis. This means that you won't pay taxes on your contributions until you withdraw the funds in retirement. In addition to the tax benefits, many employers also offer matching contributions, which can further boost your savings. IRAs, or individual retirement accounts, are another popular option for retirement savings. There are two main types of IRAs: traditional and Roth. Traditional IRAs allow you to deduct your contributions from your taxable income, while Roth IRAs offer tax-free withdrawals in retirement. It's important to note that there are contribution limits for each of these accounts, so it's important to plan accordingly and maximize your contributions each year. You can also consider opening multiple retirement accounts to diversify your investments and take advantage of multiple tax benefits. Thanks for watching. For more views and updates about the power of compound interest, subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned.